Hello guys, how are you? My name is Anil Bror. I tell you about spoken English, how we speak fluently spoken speak in English. We look, first of all we have to practicing lot of practicing then we after we speak in English in fluently. For example, if you think only uh, if you think only one day I speak in English only think it is not a right. You have to speak in English when we are not speaking English, then you not improve your English. Okay, the first of all you start speaking English, doesn't matter you speak right or wrong. Okay, uh, most of people's have most of people has hesitate. They are think about first I read grammar rule, and second I practicing, and my they are hesitate this type. Our my pronunciation is not good, so it doesn't matter your pronunciation. You have your pronunciation is good for you, doesn't matter about other person have or not. You only you have improve your English, not other person's. Okay, then you start speaking. This is you are if you are beginner. So beginner, if you are beginner, start your first day. How can I speak in English? The question is, you do something new. For example, some people or teacher or trainers ask you if four type we are speaking English. First, reading, listening, and writing, and after speak. Okay, that's okay. uh, that's okay. If you do not uh, can't this four matter, you take only two matters. For example, listening and speaking. First of all, you are beginner, you start listening. You while you watch movie, and listening English song, English only in English, and podcast, uh, which you want interest in this. Okay, yes, I know my English is very 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 not good. My English is very fumble, and some grammar mistakes. uh, so this, okay, okay, I don't worry about it, because I am learner. Then I day by day improve my English while practicing and make video. So thank you. You are improving English, so practicing lot of. Okay, listening is most important. If you are beginner, start your today first day, then you start only listening. You watch one video in English, and that video watch again and again. Okay, so thank you. We are meet next video. Okay.